Hello and welcome to a non-VR video for once on my new channel. I still have to update my avatar. I just don't have the Robux too. So, we're playing the Car Crushers 2, and we have the new Floor 2 update. Nice. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I recently unlocked the dump truck. So, yeah, we're gonna demolish it and some crushers, but not most. We're only like one new crusher um because I need to unlock the others by either grinding the game or by using Robux, which I'm going to use Robux. So I should get my monthly Robux from Premium sometime soon. Here, let me just make sure I have. Okay, I still have Premium. All right, well, yeah, let's go ahead and just do that bonus crusher over there, and yeah, let's go ahead and do it. And the dump truck is getting absolutely demolished. Yeah, there's different ways to go up there. Elevator for bigger vehicles, like the dump truck. What the heck? Well, there's like a little ramp for smaller vehicles, or if you can just go up there too. So, all right. So we are going to try the new water slide. Oh, let's see what once we get. Ooh, basically 50, kind of 50. Don't mind why the dump truck has so many scrapes on it. I definitely didn't jump from the top floor. All right, let's see what we get this time. Ooh, triple spinners. Ah, hard to line up big vehicles like this. Alright, let's activate the crusher. I got the I got the death slope? What is that? Okay, here's the death slope, and there's also the volcano pit, which I'll reach at 100,000 parts, which I have 90,000. So, the death slope, let's see what this does. Holy crap, we are so gonna die. Oh, wait a minute, I have human human invincibility, because I used 11 so I'm on the top floor and look for it. Ah, here's the new set of crushers. Hey, look, the oh, you gotta get enough likes to. Okay. Yeah, I definitely didn't. I definitely didn't just jump from the top floor again. I'm gonna dispose of this garbage. We gotta get 9 trillion. We're almost there. All right, haven't been to row 4 in a while, so let's see what's in here. You know what? Let's nuke the dang thing. Put some acid on this crap. Oh, he must not have the superhuman speed or superhuman thing. So. Oh, look at that car. About to get demolished. Yep. Yeah, okay, yeah, that thing is evaporate. That thing is just dying. It's getting completely demolished. I'm just gonna burn the whole thing. And the whole thing's gone now. Is it just me, or is that green? That's yellow. Okay, yeah, I'm right. That's yellow. That's green. Can someone tell me what's going on? Oh, frenzy active. Plus 50% money. Bet. Ooh. Favorite crusher. The frenzy's coming back in 8 minutes. That's annoying. I really just got stuck. I really got stuck. Really just got stuck. And I'm moving spinners again. Okay, perfect parking. I got into this. I'm activating the pressure. There we go. Oh, I just got the next car. Let's go. Yo, look at this. There's a supercar. Pretty cool. Okay, now I have to get 12 trillion. That's gonna suck. But this car looks so good, though. Look at it. And I'm just gonna completely ruin it. It is now... Actually, looks pretty cool. I'm for a joyride. Tokyo Drift. No more first person. Oh crap. Whee! I'm about to hammer the dang car. Perfect parking and drop it. Ooh. Yeah, the whole thing is dead. I think that's enough for today's video. You can comment, like, share, and subscribe. And, yeah, that's really gonna be it. Bye!